report the Earth is changing, so keep calm. Hi, my name is Eloise Franklin, and I go to Olson Park School in Mrs. Drew's 3rd grade class. Today I will talk to you about how the Earth changes. Some ways the Earth changes is because of volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, and erosion. Because the Earth is gonna shake. Yeah, it's gonna quake. Because of the tectonic plates. Earthquakes are first. The Earth's crust is made of several pieces called the tectonic plates. The tectonic plates slowly move over a long period of time. For example, about 225 million years ago, the continents were all squished together like this. That was during the Permian period. About 135 million years ago, the continents began to drift apart. That was during the Jurassic period. Now we look something like this. If the fault lines get stuck, pressure starts to build. Once it gets strong enough, they will suddenly move, causing an earthquake. Possibly before an earthquake, a foreshock can occur. Or possibly after an earthquake, an aftershock can occur. A foreshock and an aftershock are small earthquakes. We just found something that we're going to call the Grand Canyon. Erosion is next. Erosion is when water, wind, and ice wears away the land. Depending on the type of force, erosion can happen quickly or take thousands of years. Water is the main cause of erosion. Rivers break up particles along the river bottom and carry them down the river. That is how the Grand Canyon formed. Wind can erode by picking up and carrying loose particles and dust. That is called deflation. It can also erode if the flying particles fall down and strike the earth, chipping away at the land. That is called abrasion. Don't blow your tops. Volcanoes are next. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust where hot liquid rock from deep within the Earth called magma erupts to the surface. Magma has a small difference from lava. Magma is when it's above ground, underground. Lava is when it's above ground. Eventually, lava on the surface will stop flowing and cool into hardened rock. Rock from volcanoes are called igneous rock. Some examples of igneous rock are basalt and granite. One type of volcanoes are cinder cones, which are volcanoes formed from particles and blobs of lava ejected from a single vent at the top. They grow to about 1,000 feet. Now you've learned about how earthquakes, erosion, and volcanoes change the earth. And next time you feel shaking, you might know what's going on. And now when you go to Hawaii and you hear rumbling, you might know why people are fleeing in terror. And next time you go to the Grand Canyon, you'll know how it's formed. I hope you like my speech. P.S. What did one earthquake say to the other? Let's shake an earthquakin'.